this lesson, we will be learning the note symbols for which we hold our fingers for the duration to get the appropriate sound for each melody. So the first symbol used, it looks like an egg and it's called semibreve, and you hold the sound for 4 counts. Suppose I take a C note for representing each of the note families. So how do I get the sound? How long to hold? Suppose if it's C, keep 5 fingers on 5 keys, just only C we are going to use for the first note, which is called semi-brief. So C, 2, 3, 4. Whether it is left hand or right hand, the value of the note doesn't change. I mean, note may change. So C, 2, 3, 4. That's how you play your sounds, the duration. Suppose if it's the next sound, next family, subdivision of a semi-brief. It's called minim, it's called half note and carries 2 beat. So C2, C2, C2. So 2 beats of sound duration we hold. And next is called the crotchet, which is called quarter note, held for 1 beat. 1, that's it. That's the sound of the crotchet, only 1 beat. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. I played 4 times, means 4 crotchet notes I played. Next I play quiver. Quiver means in a beat you will get 2 notes. That becomes 2 quavers is equal to 1 crotchet. So 2 half beat is equal to 1 full beat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. If I say 1, I play 2 notes, 1. So 1 and. So the and becomes the later part of the beat 1. So 1 and. So 1 beat can be played with 2 notes. So 1 and. So 2 and. So when you find these type of quivered notes, that's how you count on it and insert the notes for the performance. Move to the next lesson.